am happy with LegalMatch because first and foremost, when you start a platform like this, you don't really know what the outcome's going to be, right? And you're like, okay, it's a marketing tool. We'll see what happens. But I am happy with the fact that I have not had to market to get clients. And if you are a solo practitioner or a small firm like what I have, do not have the time or resources to go out there and market for clients effectively. It's so funny you asked me this because just a few hours ago, someone asked, how do you get your clients? And I said, LegalMatch. So, when I thought about it, I said, wow, most of my clients have come from LegalMatch. When I started, I had no idea that's what was going to happen. So I am excited LegalMatch has been my partner to help me grow my practice. Well, LegalMatch has been able to help me pivot and brainstorm ways to help secure the practice when it was daunting as, am I going to be able to maintain my practice? Because I do real estate and probate in estate, I was able to switch out of real estate to probate to be able to ascertain clients in that space that was burgeoning, unfortunately due to COVID, but they needed legal representation. They needed an attorney to file their probate petition in court. And because, again, I was able to share with LegalMatch my background and my experience, LegalMatch helped to strategize with me how I can better equip me to express to these potential clients why I'm the best attorney for the job. Well, I'm going to honestly say the support is amazing. I actually attempted to double down on these platforms by choosing another platform, including another platform with LegalMatch. In that other platform, I didn't get phone calls, I didn't get emails. It's kind of like you don't know when your water is dry or whatever, the well is dry, and then that's when you want the water. So I took it for granted how LegalMatch works with attorneys was ubiquitous across the board, and it's not. LegalMatch is to provide superior support any time of the day you want, and very flexible in looking at your practice areas and even helping. I mean, when I first started, and I didn't have, I'm now a 6-person team, I didn't have that. I just had me. I had me and LegalMatch. So the administrator rep at LegalMatch called clients for me because I said, I can't call them and then run the court and call. And so, don't worry about it. I'll call. I'll make the appointment. I'll ferret out the matters. It was wonderful. So, thank you so much for that. Every day, twice a day, 5 times a day. It's true. It's not just a quote-unquote marketing ploy to get you in the door. I actually have one paralegal designated to just kind of looking at my LegalMatch leads, calling these prospective clients, and I'm just so, you're not thinking about this is how it should be. But LegalMatch is, bar none, the best platform in this space because I have never marketed except for LegalMatch, and I have over 65 active cases, which most have come from LegalMatch in the last year and a half. So I'm really excited that I'm able to provide this service to people who may not necessarily have the access to attorneys of our caliber. LegalMatch really done their job and their due diligence to make sure that good legal service is being provided to the general public. I would say 95%. If I was looking at it from a percentage basis, anytime I talk to someone, I'm going to get a client. Well, as I indicated before, it's unparalleled. In fact, I had to say to another platform, you should be like LegalMatch. I just can't understand how you can provide me this platform and never call me again. And in other platforms, they segregated out, a first marketing person and then Afterwards, you deal with just kind of like the general support staff, but LegalMatch isn't that way. The person who calls you to get you in the door stays with you, helps to marinate you and give you strategy tips and things of that nature so that you can be successful. And then if they need to turn you to the next level, transition is very smooth and thoughtful. And then if you feel, you can say to them, look, I'm not ready to go to the next level. I need more hand-holding. They say, okay, we're there for you. Because during COVID, I lost a couple of assistants and wasn't able to get the level of administrative support. So LegalMatch said, no, we'll stay, we'll help you out. Other platforms don't have that level of resource and, at least in my mind, in that level of care. Well, what keeps a law firm afloat is client retention and being able to pay the bills, keep the lights on, as they say. So LegalMatch really helps to bring in quality clients. So I'm able to build relationships with these clients, and through that, I develop other matters and able to truly build a client base. And that's what I've been able to do through LegalMatch. I would say just do it. Don't think about it. Don't try to figure it out, because it's something that you would never anticipate. What I would say, though, is get ready to start hiring people to help you out sooner than you think. Well, first and foremost, you really identify the practice area that you want to do, that you feel equipped to do in this time, in this space. And LegalMatch really is for me, was a core foundation of marketing. So I didn't need to go out and pay more money to market myself. But one of the resources that we didn't talk about that LegalMatch has is you being able to tell your story and create that social media platform, even within the platform, so people can know exactly who you are, what you do, and you can really just be very granular about the matters that you've worked on, your wins, and what you can offer clients. So that, to me, is what I would suggest, to really drill down with the marketing efforts that LegalMatch has, instead of kind of doing a brush approach. Because you really, as an attorney, you want to concentrate on the substantive nature of the matters and representing your clients to the best of your ability. And most small firms or solo practitioners don't have a marketing team. So utilize LegalMatch as if it were your marketing team in your firm, and you would not go wrong.